Removing the pump motor from the wet blasting cabinet. First unscrew the mesh, get the mesh out of the way, and then you need to remove the hose inside there. There's a screw retaining the hose. So one screw that, it's almost already out. So I'll take the hose off. Okay, so the hose is disconnected. Screws there. Then we'll come around the back. Unscrew the motor. I've already done two of the bolts. Then you may need to give this a bit of a knock to get it off, or push it with something. Okay, lift the pump up, pull off the seal. So it may be silicon down, which was originally. Got the seal. And then rotate the motor so that the inlet's at the front. And then you should be able to just lift it out like that.